Now let's look at a ring structure and see what the difference is in how we name chain molecules and how we name ring molecules. So what I'm going to do is I'm first going to look at the ring, and I'm going to see that I have 6 carbons in the ring. So I still know that I'm using the prefix hex, so 6 carbons. I get a hex. I still have all single bonds, so I have hexane. But now I see that it's in a ring structure, so now it becomes cyclohexane as the base name of my molecule. Now I have to worry about the substituent groups. I said, well, the ring structure is the base name of my molecule, and so what I see is that I have a 1 substituent group here, this chlorine, and I've got to put that in the name. Now, unlike with straight chain molecules, where I have to count from left to right or right to left, I have to start at the end of the chain. With a ring structure, because it's a ring, I can actually start counting anywhere. When I start counting, what I always want to do is make sure that one of my substituents, in this case my only substituent, is going to be carbon 1. So I can sit there and count 3, 4, 5, 6. I can also go in the other order where I still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And when I have multiple substituents, it will determine whether I go clockwise or counterclockwise. But for this case, because I only have one single substituent group, what I see is that it's always going to be on carbon 1. It can never be anywhere else because I must start counting on the ring where a substituent is. And if there's only one, then I have to start counting there. Therefore, I don't actually have to include that one in my name. I know I have a chlorine, so I know my substituent group is going to be named chloro, but I can simply name this molecule as chlorocyclohexane. Okay. I don't need to include the one, and I'm not going to really include anything that I don't absolutely have to include.